start assembling these.
Preparations are underway by Colorado State University's staff and students for the mini pieces of an instrument that measures the energy potential of one of Colorado's most abundant resources, wind.
One of the problems in working on these sites, it's so darn windy.
Since September of 2007, CSU has managed the Colorado Anemometer Loan Program on behalf of the Governor's Energy Office. The program is designed for rural property owners throughout Colorado interested in utilizing renewable sources of energy to help power their farms, ranches, and homes, and potentially provide additional revenue.
Simple as that.
What I like about this program is we're dealing with folks right here where they live, and we're helping these folks understand what renewable can mean to them.
Towers placed in the ground have wind measurement devices at the top that will log data every 10 minutes for a full year.
This is a 3-cup anemometer. It's measuring the wind speed. The number of rotations translates to a certain wind speed. The other sensor we have is a wind vane, and the wind vane is just going to be measuring the wind direction. Simultaneously we get wind speed and we get wind direction.
And then by knowing how much and how consistent the wind blows and at what rate, that translates to then how much power you can produce, knowing how much the wind turbine will actually spin.
We're solid.
Since 2003, 60 towers have been installed largely throughout eastern and northern Colorado. Thanks to support from the Governor's Office, students have the chance to get hands-on experience working with wind energy, a sustainable energy resource that they see firsthand the value of.
And you just get free power once you overcome your capital costs. There's no additional fuels that goes into it, so